Find out the number of waves made by, or it should be given by, waves are not made actually, the number of waves given by the number of waves given, right? It is find out the number of waves given by Bohr electron in one complete revolution in its third orbit. Also calculate the number of revolutions per second that this electron makes around the nucleus. Let's solve it here. So what is our question? Our question over here is number of waves given by an electron in the third orbit of Bohr atom, right? Third Bohr orbit, or third orbit of hydrogen. Right? So, how will you find out the number of waves? Do you know the formula? The number of waves is equal to circumference upon circumference of what? Circumference of orbit upon wavelength. Right? So what is the circumference of orbit? The circumference of orbit is equal to 2 pi r, and wavelength, that is lambda, is equal to h by mv, right? So the number of waves will be equal to how much? 2 pi r divided by h by mv, or we can write it as 2 pi mvr upon h, right? Now what is mvr, students? mvr is the angular momentum. Now what is the angular momentum of third orbit of Bohr, or the angular momentum of Bohr's third orbit of hydrogen atom is what? What the angular momentum? mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. What is n here? N is the number of orbits or the energy level. So what will be the angular momentum of the third orbit? 3h upon 2 pi. Right? So the number of waves will be equal to 2 pi multiplied by, we have got this expression for MVR. So it is 3h upon 2 pi and that whole thing upon h. So how many number of waves we will get? The number of waves given by an electron in third Bohr orbit of hydrogen is equal to 3. Now this solves the first part of the question, right? So the first part of the question is we have calculated, that is the number of waves given by an electron in third Bohr orbit is 3, right? Now we have to calculate the number of revolutions, right? So our second step over here is to find out the number of revolutions made by electron in third Bohr orbit. So what is the formula for number of revolutions? We did it in our previous session. Number of revolutions is equal to velocity of electron, and that has to be divided by the circumference, right? Now what is the velocity of electron? So your velocity of electron we can find out as, we did it in our previous session, V0 is, or Vn is equal to, we can't use that formula, we need to find out it, right? So velocity is equal to nh upon 2 pi mr. Where we have deduced, from where we have deduced this? MVR is equal to nh upon 2 pi, that is the Bohr orbit, right? Now what we need to find out the radius of third Bohr orbit. Now your radius of orbit is equal to 0.529 multiplied by n square upon z, right? So it is multiplied by n square. So it is multiplied by n square upon z. Z is hydrogen. So what would be the radius? It is angstrom, right? So students, what would be the radius? Radius will be equal to 0.529 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 10 to the power minus 10 meters. So your radius would be equal to Let's calculate this. 0.529 multiplied by 9. 4.761 into 10 to the power minus 10 meters. Right? This is the radius. So the velocity will be equal to n, that is 3, multiplied by 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34, that is the Planck's constant, and that is divided by 2 into 3.4 into 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into the radius 0.529. Sorry, what is the radius we have calculated? It is 4.761. It is 4.761 into 10 to the power minus 10. So the velocity will be equal to, let's calculate, it should be 3 multiplied by 6.62 divided by 2 divided by 3.4 divided by 9.1 divided by 4.761, that is 0.067 multiplied by, what will be the answer? Into 10 to the power 6, right? That is meters per second is the velocity. Now let's find out the number of revolutions the electron makes in third orbit. What is the velocity we have calculated? 0.067 into 10 to the power 6, and that is needed to be divided by 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.14 into the radius of the third orbit, that is 4.761 into 10 to the power minus 10. So the number of revolutions made by electron in third orbit is equal to and this comes out to be 2240, sorry, this comes out to be 2240.8 into 10 to the power, how much? 10, right? So this is the number of revolutions per second which the electron is making, or we can write it here 2.2 into 10 to the power 13 revolutions per second, right? So this is the way we will solve this question. Now what will be the what is the answer of our question? 2.2 into 10 to the power 13 revolutions per second, and how many waves that electron is sending? 3 waves. Clear? Now let's move to our question part, that is the number. This was our first part, and our second part was the number of revolutions made or done by an electron in third Bohr orbit of hydrogen is 2.2 into 10 to the power 13 revolutions per second, right?